Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix can't receive gifts on Fortnite. It's quite easy and straightforward, and it will take you a couple of seconds to adjust this option. So first of all, of course, load up your game, and then you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And the next step, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. I'm using PC, so I just need to press escape button to open up settings. And if you're using PS4 or PS5, I believe it's options button on controller. And on this window, you need to press on settings. On this one option, then settings. Then on this menu here, you need to press on the icon that is on the right side. Then you need to scroll down until you see can receive gifts. And if it's not working for you, probably this option is on off. So what you need to do here, you need to turn that on, apply the changes, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.